Hi, today we will be talking about decision making and leadership. Students will understand what it means to make decisions and how it relates to leadership. Students will discover the value of making wise decisions and how they affect leadership. And in order to become better leaders, students will acquire cutting-edge strategies to enhance their decision-making abilities. Leaders utilize decision-making as a leadership skill to analyze situations and choose how to move the team forward. The following steps are included in the decision-making process. 1. Finding the challenge. The leader finds the problem and detects the events that resulted in it in this phase. 2. Creating solutions. The leader comes up with one or more options after acquiring additional details about the problem. 3. Options evaluation. The leader weighs the pros and cons of each choice and, if necessary, looks into other options. And finally, making a decision. The leader determines what action to take after doing a comprehensive assessment. Here's why decision making is important. 1. It improves teams' productivity. Making good decisions can speed up projects and saving time, boosting team members' productivity. 2. Essential in emergency situations. Leaders may need to respond quickly and decisively in emergency situations to reduce losses and maximize benefits. And finally, it improves trust. Making sensible decisions can show team members that their leader respects their efforts and have their best interests in mind. How can you improve your decision-making skills? 1. Research. Researching information can provide resources for making well-informed decisions. 2. Think critically. You can utilize critical thinking abilities to weigh the pros and cons of the circumstance as you evaluate your options. And 3. Be creative. You can come up with unique solutions to problems using creativity. You can think about different solutions that might be more effective than a traditional one if you approach it with an open mind. And you should always keep track of your team's progress. In order to learn from past mistakes or provide positive examples, you can also keep track of how decisions have turned out. And finally, discuss with your team members. You can evaluate your team holistically by actually listening to each team member's distinct point of view. Thank you for joining.